We're doing an intro song. H&L's Daily Dose.
So we've both travelled on boiling hot buses, but for all her sadness, Lauren is now happy.
Oh wow!
What?
A heron!
So you didn't notice when I put it in the blog before?
No.
We meet again, Mr. Herron. Lauren, you know that, well, Bailey's a bit horny.
Yeah.
He had sex with a cushion and it actually worked.
Can that be my motorbike helmet?
That actually would be amazing.
I know.
It's got UCLA on the side.
I'm just gonna, oh that looks like a sticker though, so I'm just gonna put nom on it. Physics.
That'd actually probably be more dangerous than not wearing a helmet, to be fair. Rattle your skull.
We're eating KFC again.
She says that so depressingly, it's like the greatest sentence in the world. We all know how good KFC gravy is. But the question is, just how good is it?
Yeah.
It is that good.
I'm just gonna stick with my chicken and sauce.
You got beans.
If I'm honest.
Drink your beans.
I will.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
How do you explain why we're up here?
I don't remember. Usually I explain these things the day before. I'm up here because I'm hopefully not doing a shift today, but I'm signing the documents to give them my payment details for the sushi place. And then tomorrow I'm going to do a trial shift somewhere else.
Hey.
At the Manor Barn. So yeah, I'm kind of like agreeing to be paid for one job whilst applying for another. Genius.
Let's go and feed the heron.
It's like a door to the sky.
Golden. Oh, that didn't come out, don't worry.
What are you going to say?
I meant to say the Heavenly Gates, but it came out as Golden Gate Bridge.
You're going to give that to the heron.
I'm probably going to get like banned from
But
YouTube now
I'm
because
hungry.
this is what just happened. He looked at it and went, and I was like, right. Then he went, okay, he went, no, that's for heron. He went,
Oh, cheers. Showing him tempting KFC.
He doesn't like it. Observe.
I could have eaten that.
The seagulls. Mine. Observe. Mine. Right. The middle one hasn't had any.
Yeah, they're getting mad out there now. I gotta admit, as you throw away my chicken, I get more.
Look, now oh, you holy bird. No, crap, I missed. Flappy.
More chicken for the bird. Thank you.
I just gave a duck salted chips, my bad. Oh, he's not too sure about chicken, no.
Right, eat it. There.
If he spits it out, oh, there you go.
Yeah, go straight go down and everything.
That's horrible.
Even a heron can appreciate 11 secret herbs and spices.
Really, 11?
I don't know. I think it's 11. Maybe it's 13.
Maybe
If there was
it's
82 secret herbs and spices, then I would be a little bit disturbed. And probably wouldn't be any chicken in if that was the case. Eat the chicken. I bought you that chicken, Herron. My hard-earned chicken you're eating.
That is what he said.
Really?
No, it makes no sense.
Goodbye, bird. Goodbye, other bird.
That's a duck.
The duck's a bird. Goodbye, bobbing head bird.
That's a seagull.
Goodbye, Lauren bird. Uh-oh, run fast.
Barr. Barr. Howard's on the phone to Orange trying to upgrade his phone. As always, Orange are being bastards and not letting him. Every time he presses
Send me
3,
broken phones.
they send him broken phones. As you see, Orange are still being bastards and not letting Howard upgrade his phone to a nicer model. Apparently the
Hello?
upgrade he... Orange have answered. Goodbye. Boobies. As you see, Orange are still being bastards to the young peasant boy. He is now on hold. He has been on hold for a further 10 minutes of his life. Are you recording? Oh my god, please say this is recording. It is recording. Let's shut up. As you see... yeah. Orange are bastards. He's still on hold after 20 minutes now.
I've got to go to that job thing as well then.
Now we're on our way to the OC shift so we can sign these forms. We fit perfectly. Oh dear, that's you hung up.
Yep. I'm going to call him back when I get out.
Good idea.
Really? It's September. It's not even late. Well, actually, it's middle September. If you're having a Christmas party now, you're desperate and sad and strange. Sorry. I have everything against Christmas, but really not in September, no. September's all about me and my birthday. The end. My dear little sun dweller belches in the sun.
Excuse me. It's nice.
I'm here on the cooler side of the line. It's time to call back Orange. No, when I said cooler side of the line, I meant cool temperature wise.
Car stopping. Oh my god. We just went to Jessop's to nom over the cameras. And I also went to Jessop's to wait for Howard to finish his interview. Well, it's kind of like an interview. We found out that he has another trial shift tomorrow. In fact, he also has a trial shift at the other bar tomorrow. So that's going to be a fun day for him, eh? Now he's on the phone to Orange again. Peasant is also on hold again. For the second... God. Wow, that's so nice. For the second time today. The peasant is also very irritated by the... I was going to say lack of conversation, but it seems that the woman's...
It's a machine.
The machine is blabbing to him for... Yes, we're in a car park. Ha! Mini! Oh, I said Mini first, peasant. Don't worry. Okay, it's been like 10 minutes now and they still haven't even picked up. There's just been a machine just talking for like 20 minutes or so. It's nice. Hey.
Oh yes, hello!
They haven't picked up, have they?
No. Hello there. H&L's left shoe.
What? What? I do
This is part of the new H&L clothing range. Courtesy of
We wish.
Lee Cooper.
Frankly.
Lee Cooper is now selling brand new H&L on the telly range clothes. I just noticed that. I thought when you draw a heart it looks something like a seagull in the distance. It's cute. Seagull heart.
Oh. Yeah, I don't think that pen's permanent and I think it'll rub off. Look, check this out. Oh no, it's fine. You'll just smudge a bit.
Like the last one. Yeah, you guys might remember this. Just
I'm
about
gonna
start.
redo it. What's that? Peasant. I'm only drawing on his shoe.
So far you've written the word peas on me.
You got to go to your trial shift tomorrow.
I've got to go to two trial shifts with peasant written on my shoe.
Wow, that looked rude.
Luckily the camera moved with your head.
Good.
Otherwise it would have just been your head diving down between my legs.
Don't say that. What? I've had a creative outburst on shoes. Oh, do you like it? No boy. What?
But you need to ask yourself, do I look like I find it funny?
No. Oh.
Lauren, what do you think of the new tattoo I gave you?
Oh, wait, hang on.
Stop doing your makeup.
I haven't got any. Zoom out right now.
Okay, tell me if you've ever seen a sign before that more looks like it's saying we need more people to die. Oh, spaces in heaven.
I wrote this sign.
Back murmur. H&L's doily dogs.
Look, I wrote it like this and it's hard, so shut up.
I'm saying nothing. You're covering beaver, but there's more beaver. There's beaver everywhere. You
Funny bitch.
This is so truly a problem of the modern boys.
You know some mainly scum. They walk around with their hands down their trousers. Typical example. Dappy, you idiot. Oh, it's got a double-sized poster inside all, I think.
Of him with his hands down his trousers.
Yeah.
That's horrible. I like that general interest involves life.
No comment. Oh. I just looked at the price.
Which one do you?
Jesus.
Yeah, I agree. That is amazing.
What? Have you looked at the price?
It's art. Art is not cheap.
Nowadays, nothing is art. But,
Well.
oh.
That is awesome. They are sweets.
I mean, how did he do that?
$3.99.
Not yet. Ew! Ew! Oh.
Thank you.
Alright. Product placement. I'm going to say my goodbye now. Usual stuff, check the garage if mum's home, wash this writing off my leg, and watch, oh yeah, I bought a film. We don't film anything. No, me no, me no, no, no. Bye. Yes! Oh my lord. Hello.
You got some bad girls to catch up on.
Why is she staring?
She thinks you're Robin.
It's, yeah. I'm Batman. Sorry. Haha. It must be 2 weeks worth now, more than that of Bad Girls. They normally put two episodes on a night.
For everyone who hasn't worked this out, she has watched every single episode ever, but she's watching them again because she loves it so much.
Bad Girls ended in 2004, I think. So I used to watch when I was little. So yeah. We've pashed it. Have we done this today? Bye.
Okay, so I'm sitting at home, about to edit up a vlog, and I get a text message. Check this out. Hello, this is Michael Brockbank, is currently out of this face and has asked me to text you as he thinks he will make a great contribution to your vlog today. In other words, we are at the rugby club if you wanted to come for a quick drink. In the name of all that is humour, I'm going. Here it is. Michael supposedly pissed inside. Let's find out.
Let me say it first.
That's beer!
That's it. So we've got Michael Brockbank here. He's had 1 pear Magnus. He's had 5 pints of Herron. He's had 5 shots of Chili Sambuca. And he's a little past out. Over to Mr. Michael Brockbank. So he's still smiling after his 1 pear Magnus. With us now,
Tomorrow I have to get up and I have to work from 11 till 4. Then I have to get 2 buses and work from 6 until 12. Then I have to go home and edit 2 vlogs. And you invited me out for this. Someone's gonna die tonight.